Welcome, parents. This is a math video on compensation. Different than composition, compensation is not breaking apart any numbers, but changing the numbers to make them easier to solve and remembering how you changed it so that you can go back to the original answer. This will make more sense as I show you. So compensation is not breaking apart either number. So in this case, if I was going to add 45 plus 8, I would notice that 8 is very close to 10. And all I would have to do is add 2 to it, like that, to make it 10. So I've created a new equation, 45 plus 10. That will leave me with an easy to solve problem, 55. Because these zeros, here I'll change colors so we can see. 5 plus 0 is 5. And 4 tens plus 1 10 is 5 tens, leaving us with 55. This is a very easy problem to solve in our minds. Now, this is not the answer to 45 plus 8, though, because we still have added 2. So if we add 2, we must then subtract 2. And in order to do that, we just take 2 away from the 5, leaving us with 3 ones, 5 tens, or the answer, which is 53. Now, this compensation method, notice we didn't break apart either of these numbers. We just added and then at the end subtracted. So in this case, we call this a balance. Whatever you do at the beginning, you have to do the opposite at the end. This is how I showed the students. Let me give myself a little room here. We took a balance and we added cubes to that balance. So if I had a balance like this, and this was 8, right, and this was 8, then the balance is totally fine. But if I added 2 over here, add 2, sorry, suddenly this balance is like this because now 10 does not equal 8. Well, how could I balance that out? Well, I'd have to then take away 2. And once I took away 2, we would be back to the original 8 plus 8. So whatever we do, if we add 2 to a number, we then have to take away those 2. If we take away 2 from a number, we then have to add them back at the end. We did a lot of this on the hundreds chart as well because it's very easy to see how close you are to the tens and ones. Compensation, again, changing a number to make it easier to solve an equation. And it could be either number. I could have added 5 here, added together and subtracted. It's up to you. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.